We are back. It is February 28th, and I'm here to announce the winners of the AMCI lecture series. These three individuals will have access to AMCI lectures, all of the AMCI lectures, for a period of 3 months. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I am going to spin the wheel and we're going to find out who the first winner is. And that winner is Yasmeen Yusuf. Okay, congratulations, Yasmeen. The next winner is Warnell Mobley. Yes, congratulations, Warnell. You look familiar. I know all my students. And finally, Karla Edson. Congratulations to you three. Again, congratulations, Yasmeen Yusuf, Warnell Mobley, and Karla Edson. You are the AMCI Lecture Series winners. Now, if you didn't win and you still want access to the AMCI lectures, there's no problem. You can go to our website, www.amcicoding.com, click on courses, click on lectures. All right, that's how you find us, and or you can just click the link in the description. Thank you to all who have participated. We will see you next month. Yes, we are going to have another drawing next month.
This presentation is brought to you by Absolute Medical Coding Institute, online medical coding instruction with 3,500 exam passers since 2015, in partnership with APC. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. Good luck!